Okay, next we will see chemical symbols. Okay, chemical symbols. So now in nature we have more than 100 elements. So the 100 elements exist in the nature. These elements have been named after scientists, countries, planets. Okay, they have named after them. So in order to ensure a uniform and easy system of representation, each element has been assigned as an abbreviation of their chemical names. So the abbreviation used to represent elements is called as chemical symbol. See, now it is not possible to remember hydrogen, oxygen. So for that they have given a abbreviation for each element. So such abbreviation is called as chemical symbol. Now assigning abbreviation to the for symbol or chemical symbol, there is a set of rules. So the first rule is the first letter appearing in the name of element in English is used as in a symbol. For example, hydrogen. Now for hydrogen the first letter is been used. So the chemical symbol of hydrogen is H. Similarly for oxygen, if you observe for oxygen the first letter is been used, that is O. Carbon, so C, and nitrogen N. Okay, so there are few sets which are being used as first letter. Second rule is when the name of two or more elements begin with the same letter, one more letter is added to the each symbol. Now for example, cobalt. Okay, for cobalt, if you cannot assign C because C is already assigned to carbon. So what they did, they took one more alphabet, the next alphabet, that is O. So first two letters, so C O, cobalt. Okay, similarly other names are calcium. Again calcium starts with C, so you cannot assign C to it, so first two letters, that is C A. Now next is helium. So there are various examples where first two letters are being used. Okay, the last is symbols of some elements have been arrived from Latin names such as iron. Okay, iron, that is given as Fe. Then gold is given as Ag. So gold is given as Au and silver is given as Ag. So these are named from the Latin word. Okay, so the first one they starts with the first letter. Second rule is they start with the first two letter, and the third one with their Latin name. Okay, now see gold has name as aurum. So AU. So okay, gold has Latin name as aurum. So they have given as AU. Similarly, many things which they have given from their Latin word. Okay, so now next we will see significance of symbol. See what is, as I said, what is the significance of symbol? That it represents one atom of that element. Now for example, oxygen, O is a symbol that represents element oxygen as well as one atom of oxygen. If I write only O, so it represents that it is an element and also represent that it is one atom of oxygen. Okay, so if I write only O, so it can be written as it is known as element as well as one atom of that element. Now next we will see what is atomicity. Now atomicity is nothing but, okay, so atomicity is atoms of many elements cannot exist independently. So the number of atoms present in one molecule of atom is known as its atomicity. So see, atomicity is nothing but the number of atoms present in one molecule of atom. For example, if I write hydrogen, okay, so H2 is molecule, hydrogen molecule. Now this number indicates atomicity. So the number of atoms present in hydrogen is 2. So this number indicates atomicity of that molecule. Now in atomicity we have different types. Based on atomicity, elements is been classified into three. One is monoatomic, second is diatomic, and the third one is tetraatomic. Okay, so it can be, it has the triatomic also. There are many things. One more is triatomic molecule. Now monoatomic molecule is nothing but where it has only single atom. For example, sodium. See, sodium has no numbers, it has only one. So if you write, see, Na1, so Na1 you should not write 1, so you should directly write as Na. So this indicates it has only one atom of, it has only atomicity is 1. So if it has atomicity 1, the number is 1, then we call it as monoatomic molecule. So one more example is iron. Iron atomicity is also 1. And diatomic molecule example is H2. So since it has 2 atoms, so it is called as diatomic. One more example is oxygen. Oxygen also has 2. Similarly, nitrogen and chlorine. These all are example of diatomic. Tetraatomic molecules have 4 atoms in its molecule. For example, phosphorus. P4 is phosphorus. So since it has 4 atoms, we call it as tetraatomic molecule. Now the next is